Welcome to our lecture on management and leadership development, a vital area for organizational success. This session explores the importance of developing managers, distinguishing management from leadership, and identifying key roles, functions, and skills. We'll discuss development approaches, including experiential techniques, and various leadership theories. For example, effective leadership training can transform a manager's ability to guide teams. As we proceed, reflect on how these concepts apply to your field. Take notes and ask questions as we delve into building strong managers and leaders to drive organizational effectiveness. Today's learning outcomes guide our exploration of management and leadership development. We'll define management and leadership, identify key managerial roles and skills, and explore leadership development theories like transformational and servant leadership. We'll also discuss approaches to developing managers, focusing on experiential techniques. For instance, a leadership program can enhance decision-making skills. As we discuss these outcomes, consider their relevance to your industry. This lecture equips you to develop managers who drive performance in fields like healthcare or business, ensuring organizational success. Management is the process of getting things done efficiently and effectively through and with others. It involves coordinating resources and people to achieve goals. Managerial skills, like planning or communication, are learnable through training and experience. For example, a manager trained in project management can streamline operations. As we explore this, think about managers in your field. What skills do they need? Management is critical in industries like manufacturing or education, where effective coordination drives organizational success and performance. Management development differs from employee training by focusing on people skills, using experiential techniques like role plays, and being influenced by a manager's personality. For example, leadership training emphasizes conflict resolution over technical tasks. As we discuss this, consider how management training differs in your industry. In fields like retail or healthcare, management development targets interpersonal and decision-making skills, ensuring managers lead effectively, aligning with organizational goals and enhancing team performance. Managers play three core roles: interpersonal, building relationships; informational, sharing knowledge; and decisional, making choices. For example, a manager resolving a team conflict uses interpersonal skills, while presenting data uses informational skills. As we explore this, think about these roles in your field. In industries like education or technology, these roles ensure managers coordinate teams, communicate effectively, and make strategic decisions, driving organizational success and fostering a productive work environment. Managerial functions include controlling, monitoring performance, organizing, structuring tasks, planning, setting goals, and leading, inspiring teams. For example, a manager planning a project sets clear objectives and assigns roles. As we discuss this, consider how these functions apply in your industry. In fields like manufacturing or hospitality, effective execution of these functions ensures operational efficiency and team motivation, aligning with organizational objectives and driving performance. Leadership involves individual qualities and behaviors that shape organizational direction, acting as a role model. It complements management, as good leaders are also effective managers. For example, a leader inspiring a team during change complements planning skills. As we explore this, think about leadership in your field. How does it differ from management? In industries like healthcare or retail, leadership drives vision and motivation, ensuring teams align with organizational goals. Leadership development encompasses theories like trait-based, inherent qualities, behavior-based, situational, transactional, transformational, charismatic, authentic, and servant leadership. Each approach evolves leadership skills differently. For example, transformational leadership training inspires change. As we discuss this, consider which theories suit your industry. In fields like education or technology, developing diverse leadership skills ensures managers adapt to challenges, motivating teams and aligning with organizational vision. Emotional intelligence, EI, is the ability to manage one's own and others' emotions and relationships, including self-awareness, self-control, motivation, empathy, and interpersonal skills. For example, An empathetic manager resolves conflicts effectively. As we explore this, think about EI's role in your field. In industries like healthcare or management, EI training enhances leadership, fostering better team dynamics and decision-making, crucial for organizational success. Conceptual skills for managers include problem-solving, decision-making, planning, and performance management. For example, a manager setting team goals uses planning skills. These skills enable strategic thinking and effective management. As we discuss this, consider how conceptual skills apply in your industry. In fields like business or education, training in these skills ensures managers make informed decisions, aligning with organizational objectives and driving performance. Technical skills involve specific expertise, like using spreadsheets for budgeting or presentation skills for sharing information. For example, a manager trained in Excel manages budgets efficiently. As we explore this, think about technical skills needed in your field. In industries like finance or IT, technical training ensures managers perform roles effectively, supporting organizational goals and operational efficiency. Interpersonal skills enable managers to interact constructively, including communication, conflict management, and stress management. For example, a manager resolving team disputes uses these skills. As we discuss this, consider how interpersonal skills impact your industry. In fields like retail or healthcare, training in these skills ensures managers build strong teams, enhancing collaboration and performance, critical for organizational success. Management education programs, like MBAs or corporate universities, develop skills in controlling, organizing, planning, and letting. They focus on practical techniques for effective management. For example, an MBA might teach strategic planning. As we explore this, think about how such programs benefit your field. In industries like business or healthcare, these programs ensure managers are equipped with skills to drive organizational success and performance. Experiential techniques, like role plays, simulations, and on-the-job experiences, enhance practical management skills. For example, a simulation of a crisis hones decision-making. As we discuss this, consider how experiential learning applies in your industry. In fields like management or education, these techniques ensure managers develop hands-on skills, improving leadership and performance in real-world scenarios. Leadership theories include trait-based, inherent qualities, behavior-based, situational, context-driven, transactional, task-focused, transformational, inspirational, charismatic, authentic, genuine, and servant, service-oriented. For example, servant leadership training emphasizes team support. As we explore this, think about which theories suit your industry. In fields like healthcare or technology, these theories guide leadership development, ensuring managers inspire and align with organizational goals. Leadership drives organizational direction, inspires teams, and complements management skills. Effective leaders motivate employees to achieve goals, as seen in a manager leading a change initiative. As we discuss this, consider leadership's impact in your field. In industries like retail or education, strong leadership ensures teams are motivated and aligned, enhancing performance and organizational success. Developing managers involves focusing on skills and behaviors through experiential and formal training, aligning with organizational needs. For example, a leadership workshop might use role plays to teach conflict resolution. As we explore this, think about how managers are developed in your industry. In fields like healthcare or business, targeted development ensures managers lead effectively, driving performance and organizational goals. Management development faces challenges like the complexity of skills, influence of personality, and balancing technical and interpersonal needs. For example, a manager's personality may affect leadership style. As we discuss this, consider challenges in your field. In industries like technology or retail, addressing these ensures effective training, equipping managers with diverse skills to meet organizational demands. Emotional intelligence enhances leadership effectiveness, improves team dynamics, and is critical for conflict resolution. For example, an empathetic manager fosters a collaborative team. As we explore this, think about EI's role in your industry. In fields like education or healthcare, EI training ensures leaders manage relationships effectively, driving performance and creating positive work environments. In summary, management drives efficiency through controlling, organizing, and planning, while leadership inspires direction and motivation. Skills like emotional intelligence, conceptual, and interpersonal are developed through experiential and formal training, aligning with organizational goals. For example, a leadership program enhances team performance. As we conclude, reflect on how these concepts apply in your field. This lecture provides a framework for developing effective managers and leaders in various industries. Thank you for your attention.